Hello friends, good morning. Today I am going to show an interesting feature in Odoo 20 that will be launched with Odoo 20 probably, and specifically for e-commerce. We have got one option earlier like hide it to cart button when product price was 0 or is 0. But now you can see a new feature is introduced. Now you can hide either zero price product, or if you wish, you can enable to hide specific category product and then ask for inquiry like redirect to contact us button. That's what you can do. So let's say you have a desk category and you have chairs category that you want to hide it to cart button. For rest everything you can sell freely, but for product belonging to this two category, now we are enabling this feature and I am on runbot master branch to perform this test. So desk and furniture, chairs are two categories. Now I am going into shop and then I am going into desk. So the product belonging to desk category, I'm opening that product. So you can see add to cart button is not available. Rather, the contact us button is here to generate an inquiry. So this product you can block to sell and ask the viewer or visitor to contact you. Same way, if I'm going back to all product and then I might have, let's say, furniture and chairs. Okay, so for couches, like add to cart button is available. But when I go to furniture and chairs and I open any product, add to cart button is hidden. It's invisible or it's blocked because of that settings which will be made available in upcoming Odoo version. So yes, this is really a good feature where some of the products, we need to control by generating inquiry and only sell. Those feature now can be managed with website settings over here by enabling hide it to cart with specific categories and select multiple categories over here and link URL. You can create any form or any redirect to contact us. Hope this feature will help many people to create a nice e-commerce journey for end users and the seller also. Thank you guys. Good day.